and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to resize a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert an online picture. Let's go ahead and insert an online picture. Select the picture and click on Insert. Wait a few seconds. Let's delete this text. Now click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Then go to the Size section, and here you can change the height and the width of the picture. Or you can click on the picture and drag these points in the corners of the picture, or drag these points to stretch the picture. Or you can right-click on the picture and click on Size and Position from the drop-down menu. And here you have multiple options. You can change the height and the width, rotate it, uncheck lock aspect ratio, and relative to original picture size. And here you have the original size, the height and the width. Let's change the height and the width. And once you're done, just click on OK. Or you can click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Then click on this icon here in the Size section. And then resize your picture. You can also click on Reset to reset the picture and click on OK. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.